Hello Mzansi, the viewers have enjoyed season 6 episode 5 since they don't talk about wife number 5. On this episode, Umangwabe loves her kids so much that she is willing to do anything for them. One of her child has a brain problem and she is happy that she can speak after seeing the scene. Now we understand even more why Mangwabe is so sensitive towards her babies. We hope today everyone will understand why Mangwabe was so angry with the issue of Makhumalo's father sending her kids to open the gate. Mangwabe and her husband, together with the kids, went out for lunch. Mangwabe said that they used to eat outside until Musa stopped. Mangwabe said that the reason that they stopped it is because Musa Mseleku is too busy with girlfriends and does not have time for them or family. Mzansi could not help to feel jealous after Musa complimented Umangwabe for wearing decent. Mseleku will compliment his wife every chance that he gets. Musa said that he does not like his wife when they wear revealing outfit that exposes everything outside. Museleku's issues with dress code is that he does not want other men looking at their wives, because that's what he does when he's outside looking at other women. Umangwabe does not hide the fact that her husband is cheating, and it's not the first time that we heard her saying this, that her husband has too many girlfriends. I mean, yes, you love money, but what about sexual transmitted diseases? That are just my thoughts. Anyway, Mzansi, till I see you again, please like my video, share and subscribe. Now we understand why Mangwabe is behaving in this manner. Bye.